Changing your phone number on Spotify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open Spotify app or website. Launch the Spotify app on your mobile device or visit the Spotify website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. On the app tab on Home, then select Settings. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Account. Step 3. Edit Profile. In the account settings, look for the Edit Profile option. Click or tap on it to access your personal information, including your phone number. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click or tap it to confirm your changes. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Spotify will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Spotify support for assistance.